Imagine laughing out loud without worrying about hiding your teeth. Today, on National Smile Day, we're celebrating confident smiles with Pop-On Veneers. Whether you have chips, gaps, or missing teeth, Pop-On Veneers is the quickest, easiest, painless solution to enhance your smile from the comfort and privacy of your home. Customers are loving their smile from Pop-On Veneers. Just listen to Lauren's glowing review.
I put in my order. The best thing I could have done. I got the motor and everything, and I swear it came so quick. I love it.
With Pop-On Veneers, your smile is transformed in just seconds. Customers like Ashley certainly love them. Let's check out why.
I feel like I've got my youth back. I feel younger. I feel happier, healthier. I'm smiling, I'm talking, I'm showing my face. This saved my life. 10 out of 10. I recommend it to everyone. I mean, for me, it was priceless.
No more missing teeth, gaps, or chips. Since the veneers are 100% custom made for your teeth, they fit comfortably and look natural. Many customers enjoy eating with their veneers and wearing them all day. It's so easy to get started with Pop-On Veneers, and it doesn't even require any trips to the dentist. In fact, Dave describes how simple the whole process was.
They sent me the box, the impressions, I did them, I sent them back. 2 weeks later, you guys, I got my veneers in the mail. And I'll never forget going in my bathroom, popping them in and looking at myself for the first time. It was so magical. My self-esteem, my self-belief, my self-confidence, my self-worth went through the roof.
To get started, all you need to do is answer one question to find out if you're a candidate. Your impression kit will arrive with everything you need to make your teeth molds at home. Then you just ship your impressions to Pop-On in NYC with the prepaid shipping label. The team will work their magic and design your smile with Pop-On Veneers' exclusive design process using cutting-edge technology and meticulous hand craftsmanship. In just 1 to 2 weeks, your beautiful new smile is delivered to your door. Pop-On Veneers offers affordable payment options as low as $29 for the $1 million smile you deserve. It's a game changer. Customers like Scott couldn't agree more. Just listen.
They say that money can't buy happiness, but you can definitely finance it. Definitely one of the best investments I've ever made.
You can choose your favorite smile color from 3 different options: Hollywood white, natural white, and mature tan. Pop-On Veneers are now available on Amazon, making it even easier to offer this groundbreaking smile solution. It's just a click away. Also available are Pop-On Fresh Foam, Pop-On Clean, and other accessories for your veneers. Pop-On Veneers is committed to making your dream smile a reality. They have thousands of followers on social media, many of whom share heartwarming stories like Janelle's post that went viral on TikTok. Pop-On Veneers has already delivered over 200,000 smiles, and customers are raving. Visit poponveneers.com to check out inspiring smile stories and get $100 off your purchase with code POP100, plus an extra gift when you order today. Make every day National Smile Day with Pop-On Veneers and smile with confidence.